Hello friends, welcome back to Linux server series. This video is second part of Python literal. To understand Python literal in better way, please watch part 1. I have already dropped a link of Python literal part 1 in description box. So let's start. First one is Boolean literals. A Boolean literal has either of the two values, true or false, where true represent 1 and false represent 0. You can see in Python IDE some example of Boolean literal. When we add 12 plus true, the result will be 13 as true represent 1. And when we add 12 plus false, the result will be 12 only as false represent 0. Next literal is literal collections. There are four types of literal collection in Python. They are list literals, dictionary literals, tuple literals, and set literals. List literal contains items of various data types. List literal are mutable, that is, values stored in list can be changed. The values in the list are separated by commas and enclosed by square brackets. In Python IDE, you can see a programming language list is given. In dictionary literal, the data is stored in the dictionary as a key value pair. Dictionary literal are mutable, that is, values stored in the dictionary are changeable. The data is stored in the dictionary is enclosed by curly braces. Separate the key from its value with a colon, and each pair is separated by the commas. Dictionary can store items of various data types. You can see in Python IDE, a dictionary is given. In this dictionary, month are keys and the days are values, separated by colon. To get keys of dictionary, days.keys function is used. Whereas to get values of dictionary, days.value function is used. Next is tuple literal. Just like list, tuple is a collection of various data type. Tuple is immutable, that is not changeable. So we cannot add a new item to it, or we cannot delete any item from the tuple. Tuple is enclosed by the parenthesis and each items are separated by comma. You can see in Python IDE, a tuple is created with name employee. Another tuple with name even is also created here. Now next literal type is a set literal. Set is the collection of the unordered and unique data. A set literal is immutable, that is unchangeable. Set is enclosed by the curly braces and each item is separated by comma. You can see in Python IDE, a set with name vowels is given. Another set name num is given with duplicate number. You can see in num set, it can remove duplicate number in the output. Last literal type is special literals. Python contains one special literal known as none, which is used to specify that the field has not been created. You can see in Python IDE x equal to 7 while y is equal to none. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.